blood pressure, right?
Miss Walker, thank you for wanting to verse with me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you.
Relax,
For
man,
enough time
relax.
to jot your thoughts, but fuck it,
See,
this
that's
morning I
probably all
got
your
you.
issue is.
Thinking about you. I heard you
Gotta
just
learn
had
how
your
to
another
just
little
relax.
baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle
Has your first adjustment yet?
the fame, the bitches that's
How you feel?
hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like that album I'm making. But I
Good.
hope that you taking
Adjust.
a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby.